Ramogi TV, Machakos Boys, Machakos County.
Team secondar Ringa Boys kachiel gi team mar Kobala Girls no bedo joloch tuke mag riwruoge pinje Europe mano bagi lap ma Raila Odinga Stadium me county ma Homabay. Team mar Ringa Boys no lo team mar Ringa Boys gonde ariyo kuma chiele finals kae kidieny mar nyiri. Team mar Kobala lo team mar Uganda Girls gola chiel kuom nono. Tuke no yora gi jambetre mar EU pachoka Hendrit Geiger kachiel gi governor ma Homabay Gladys Wanga.
We also have a Cape Media and we also have a Dead Melon. Those are part of the partners.
The German development program, GIZ, has a dedicated sports football project here. So through sports, we want to empower young people in Kenya.
This is not just a football tournament. I think it really is showing our young people, our young boys and girls, what the possibilities are. You know, what is open for them. They are just not local here in Homabay. There are possibilities all the way to Nairobi, but there are also possibilities all the way to Europe. I think it is opening up their mind and their eyes to these possibilities, and that's why I find this very, very important for us.